Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Yeah, gold has not really moved much since the last update. So we've pretty much just been moving sideways, as you can see there, very choppy between the two lines that we defined also in the last update. I don't really have much clarity regarding the microstructure. I mean, I don't really have a particularly good read. It looks like an ABC pullback that's unfolding there. So it's interesting how next week develops. We're going to zoom in a minute, but this is the 4-hour chart. It shows you the gold futures COMEX price chart. It shows you that my thesis is, and I have to say, I mean, this gold chart, it has become so choppy. That's not bearish. It just means it's expect the pullbacks, you know, here and there. Expect the unexpected, but the trend is still up, okay? And we are dealing with a situation where we should see further upside over the coming months, yeah, and possibly towards the $2,800 region, yeah, next. I mean, I would not rule out that before we really form a substantial top, even get to 3,000 or so, but this year will be a substantial correction. You know, this larger wave 4, we're not there yet. The idea is, and again, there will be, due to the choppy nature of the chart, don't expect necessarily absolute precision with Elliott wave, but Elliott wave can help us understand the key support levels at the moment and tendencies, but this is not impulsive price action to the upside, okay? There are even people who are interpreting this as very bearish, which I'm not, because we're moving higher lows, higher highs, but they are corrective structures, yeah, but as part of a larger diagonal pattern. So that's important. And I still expect higher prices. Been expecting higher prices since 2022 when I started to cover gold, and it's being followed, just not in an impulsive fashion. So the idea is that we're moving up here after a B wave bottomed in June 24. This is a wave 1 up, wave 2 down, and now we're moving up in a third wave, circle 3. And I will have to move all of this a little bit to the right. Maybe not necessarily here in the video, but just a little bit. This is relentless. We always have to do that, you know, as prices just move sideways. And then within circle 3 here, we also seem to be dealing with an ABC structure because this is an overall diagonal pattern, and the C wave is unfolding now and is a 5-wave move. Yeah, so that's the idea. And again, you know, when we're dealing with an ABC, also that C wave seems to be an ending diagonal. So you see how choppy it really is. To keep it simple as possible, idea is that wave 1 topped here. That was on 15th, 14th of August. We had a wave 2 pullback, all within a diagonal. And primary expectation is that this is an AB structure. Support was already communicated in the last video between 2,490 and 2,507. We've seen a bounce from there, but we're coming down again. And I have no, let's say, yes, I have a reaction to support, but no reliable bottoming confirmation. So what I'd like to see as a breakout is a break above the yellow line. I think that would indicate that the C wave to the upside here is unfolding. You know, where would it take us? I can't really give you an absolute level, but just to give you some orientation, if we break out now, it should take us to 2,608 next, maybe even a bit higher, 2,630 area or so. But I have no bottoming confirmation. I don't really have clarity that this B wave bottomed. It could have, yeah. I mean, if we say wave A of 3 topped here on the 20th of August, this is a 3-wave move down. You see that in wave B, then wave C to the upside could have started. I just need to see next week a break above the yellow line. Then I would assume wave C has started. Now, what happens if we break below 2,490? First of all, I would assume it's just a reset of wave B. But B waves can even go a bit lower than the 78.6 retracement. It's not that common, but it happens. But if we then also break below the red line, which is located at 2,470, I would have to assume that a different structure is unfolding. Possibly wave 1 topped here then, it's a longer wave 1, and the wave 2 is unfolding as a large 1-2 setup. That would be my alternative, in which case the invalidation point will be 2,400. Yeah, but for now, this move down looks corrective, which is good. So I'm watching for higher prices, and next week I'm going to pay particular attention to the 2,490 level and the upside yellow line as a breakout point. That's the update about gold. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out the stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.